Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I will teach you how to use ManyChat automation. So let's just begin. First of all, what we need to do over here is head over to your automation section from the left side of your screen and click on new automation. Now this will go to the templates library that ManyChat offers, and it has literally a ton of different automations that can boost up your profile or your social media presence. So you can head over to all templates and you can see we had a couple of them. So let's just say we have respond to your DMs automation that we're going to be creating today. Let's just start from scratch and let's just choose a word like for example, if someone comments or basically DM, sorry, onto our Instagram, he will get a reply back. So let's just say the um, message contains a word like for example, shipment, or let's just actually change it to price. Yeah, so we got some examples below: price, link, and shop. So you can set it to price, click on next, and we can add a price. So like for example, hey, thanks for reaching out, and below we can add some prices. Prices are different. Basically we can add prices are maybe $500, $200, and $500. So you can add a link as well if you want to add that, but totally up to you. You can add a button, the text on the button. Like let's just add it. So link, and paste in here the link and click on save. So we need to paste in here a valid link, like for example, shop.com. Click on save, and you can see the link is now added. You if they want to proceed, you can to your website or something like that, they can click on this link. You can actually change the text to, like for example, shop now, and save. So basically this is how you can add your automation to a message, and you do not even need to do anything, and they will be redirected towards your website, to your platform, or anything, anywhere that you like. So basically I hope this helps, and if you want to unlock even more features, you can head over to the link in the description of this video and avail that offer to get 1 month of ManyChat completely for free. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and see you around in the next video.